If you're on the hunt for new construction homes in Las Vegas, then continue watching because today we're going to be showing homes in the southwest area of Las Vegas. Today's property walkthrough is going to be at the Monarch Valley community built by Richmond American. If this is your first time on the channel and you want to know everything there is about new build communities in Las Vegas, then subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to tap that notification bell so you are the first to learn about the current market in Las Vegas. Now let's get started. It offers 5 different floor plans. Today's floor plan that we're going to be showing is the Hibiscus. It's 1910 square feet, 2 stories, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-car garage, starting at $441,950. Okay, this is the bigger model. This is actually their biggest model. This is the Hibiscus, the 1910 square feet, giving you guys the shot and the look of the exterior of this home. You got the stones right there. You got the stucco on the side, but you also get a side door for where the garage is, and you get a side gate to the backyard. You get these lantern style lights on the exterior. A nice door for the garage. And then remember guys, these pavers do come included with your walkway when you guys purchase this home model. Now this one is starting from $441,950. Okay, this is their largest model. Let's take a look. All right guys, so as you walk in, check this out. Right when you walk into the door, you get a high ceiling right there, and the staircase is to the right of you. We'll go check out the second floor in a moment, but that's what it looks like. And as you walk to the right, this would be your entryway to the garage. So this is your garage, or that side door that I was mentioning outside earlier. Then this is the storage for your coat, your half bath. I like the materials that they put in here, the black finishes. And then to the left as you enter, you're gonna be in your living room. This is where I always like to start because this is where everybody loves to see the kitchen. Okay, you get the island right here. This would be a gourmet option, which is a gourmet kitchen configuration. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys like this style better, let me know in the comments below. Check out this backsplash. This is my favorite style. You get the herringbone pattern, the white on white with the black handles. These are not soft close. I always like and prefer cabinets that are, but some builders don't add it there. You get the microwave right here, stainless steel, which is the GE. You got the stovetop burner, the oven, all right, the dishwasher. And you have this stainless steel dual side sink with a black faucet. Let's see if this is a magnetic pull down. Yes, it is. And then there's that fridge. Fridge is not included as usual, but usually these other appliances are. Now from this side, if you're stepping back and taking a look at my angle, you're gonna have the dining area right here. And this is where your living area would be. You do get an option to have a fireplace in this area. This is what they consider as the great room. That fireplace is an option. What I noticed is that this does come out from the wall, so they did add this section right here with the mantle, and this is where your TV would be, but this is where it's going to be actually built out. They built this as an extra, so that would be an upgrade if you guys decide to do that later on. This is the backyard. Check this out. So it's a pretty decent sized lot from front to back. And I forgot to show you guys the pantry. Okay, stack shelving. You guys ready for the second floor? I know you guys have been waiting. Give you guys another look of that ceiling light. Okay, we're gonna walk up the stairs. This is carpeted. So check this out. You have two windows right here for natural lighting. You get a third right there. This is a view from the staircase. Wow, this looks amazing. If you guys like this style, do me a favor, like the video, guys. To the right, you're gonna have your laundry room. You got, this is obviously upgraded, but that's the hexagon pattern. All right, check it out. It has a sink with the faucet. Washer dryer not included. You get the cabinets. And I like this section. You have a little loft area. You have it as like an extra entertainment room. I'll give you guys a view from this side. Now let's go into this bedroom. This is one of the other bedrooms for your kids. Just a closet. Now, as we walk towards the hallway to the other side of the house, to the right of it is a shared bathroom area. You get a double sink, black faucet, black trims. Love this look. You get a tub as well. Very nice finishes. Great material choice as well. This would be another linen closet. You stack your pillows, your towels, toiletries. And this is the other room. Your closet. This would be your primary bedroom. Check this out, guys. You do get a balcony. Wow, I didn't see this when I walked the property the first time, but check that out. You do get a balcony from your primary bedroom. Now let's walk into the primary bath. Okay, you get the double sinks, and check this out. You get a standalone bathtub with a stand-up shower. Now, some people prefer the other bathroom, but this is cool too. Okay, I like the other bathroom just because it has a walk-in shower. This is more of your stand-alone. But you do get a large walk-in closet. And I know for the females, you guys prefer this better because you have a lot of stuff that you want to put in there. And you get your toilet. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if this is your first time here, or if you guys want to learn anything new about Las Vegas, turn that notification bell so you guys are going to be the first ones to learn about any new builds, tours that we do here in the Las Vegas area. So I'll see you guys on the next one.